How to one name on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Next, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the gear icon over here at the top right corner yet again. It will lead you to settings and privacy, after which tap on see more in account center option. As you do that, tap on the profile section that pops up at the very first option. Here, tap on your profile again and tap on the name option available over here. So here you can see your first name, your last name. There are two names over here. Now if you want a one name on Facebook, simply remove your last name over here for now and then just go back, and here you can see you cannot change it over here right now. So I'm going to tap on the last name and make a space over here. After which I'm going to go back and check and tap on review change. So just tap on review change, and as you tap on review change, you'll be able to see that you have one name on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.